Hello dear traders and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover Euro versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the Euro versus US dollar first. So basically what I found on the 4-hour time frame and the higher time frames is that we got a rising trend line in the play. We can see basically multiply rejections from this rising trend line, so it is basically obvious that buyers are in control since this massive rally that we got off the bottom on March 7th, March 8th. So this was a very strong reversal, more like a V-shaped reversal, and basically buyers started to support the euro on every deep pullback. You can also see this deep pullback here. They started to load their long positions. From my opinion, they got this rally. Probably what happened here was the market, we got a scaling process, some profit taking from buyers at this stage, and market managed to pull back again towards this rising trend line, and now seems like it's trying to find again new wave of the buyers around this stage, for potential retest of this again 1.1135. But from my watching like a short-term perspective, I can see euro even higher. I can see that we can eventually clear 1.1137 and try to attack the 1.1230 or even 260 level. So definitely watch for buying opportunities on the pullbacks using the higher time frames like this, like a 4-hour, 8-hour, 2-hour time frame, and then watch for the further objectives at 1.1140 and 1.1240. Speaking of the gold market, this is still basically, we got a big reversal bar here of the low of 1895. We also said this level here is very important because it was basically we have a point to control there. We also got this cluster of the lows here. So this is a quite important area, and we got this reversal bar. But the thing here is that it's still right now between, it's in the middle. If we got this low, if we say this is a low of this reversal and this is the high where the buyer stopped, we're basically right now in the middle of that range. So it's a very, very tricky to say. We didn't have this on the retest at this stage. Will the price try to retest that? And then we see if we can have a reaction or downside continuation, or maybe the market will try to retest this high and try to take. It's a very hard to say at this stage. Okay, so from my perspective, it's best to wait to see what the market is trying to do. If we can clear this high, let's go to the 8-hour time frame. So if we can clear this high, this might be the U-turn. And then we can expect higher prices, right? We then can expect even 1990 level or 2000 level again. If the market tried to retest the low area, pin bar area at 1900, then we can basically see how the price will behave around this support and this cluster support. So this stage is kind of in decision level, and my advice to watch for more, to get more information from the market. Crude oil is basically absolutely, an energy sector is just shining in basically in the last few days or so. We basically have a strong reaction from buyers and they just keep going higher with just a little pullbacks here and there, on the 30-minute time frame. You see, this is a very, very strong upside environment, and market just keep going to the upside. So from my perspective, if we check the next pivot level, if we go to the daily time frame, we can see this, but there is also pin bar high area here. What we can also do is to take this upper area here and basically put here to say, so this area here can be the volume point to control, 109.75. Right? So 109.75. We can also go to the futures market just to make sure, yeah, it's pretty much the same. So this area here, and then the next area will be 114.80, right? That'll be the next area to watch. This 114.55. But it's definitely going in a strong environment, and we are trading absolutely above the previous day high, very, very aggressively. We are deep above the previous day high. That's a big sign that basically buyers are in control and energy sector is absolutely shining at this stage. So buying opportunities, watching for buying opportunities intraday on the pullbacks like this, or watching the 2-hour pullbacks or so, and then potential the next pivot level target at 114.55. And speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, it's still in this giant consolidation. Nothing changed here. So basically, I will watch for a breakout of this consolidation, but it may need some more time for the market to still spend some more time in this consolidation before the further upside or downside breakout. So that will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Have a good day, trade safe as always, and see you tomorrow morning.